How to install Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can install Roblox. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your web browser and then simply search for Roblox. Search for Roblox download and you'll find the download Roblox option right here. Tap on it, and after you do that, you can tap on download Windows app option. After you tap on it, the download should begin, the installer, and you can then set up the installer. Now the other option is opening up your Microsoft Store. Open up your Microsoft Store and simply search for Roblox here. After you search for Roblox, this one, you can tap on the get option, and for this you don't even have to download the installer. The game directly downloads, and just tap on install right here. It'll take this much storage of your device, and yeah, you can start playing it. And that's basically how you get or install Roblox. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.